Hi, my marvelous chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to slow cook a pork loin in a crock pot. What I used to prepare this dish was a nice big pork loin cut into 1-inch chops. I also used chicken stock, a sliced onion, minced garlic, thyme, and good old salt and pepper. If you feel like switching it up, go for it. This is your meal. Make it however you feel. With that said, let's get cooking. I start off the same way I do most recipes, especially those that involve meat, poultry, or fish, by bringing it to room temperature and patting it dry with paper towels to remove moisture, which in hindsight is kind of pointless with this recipe since this pork is going to be braising in chicken broth. But it's a deeply ingrained habit of mine at this point, so just roll with it. Next, season the pork with salt, pepper, and dried or fresh thyme. I feel like dried thyme is sufficient since it's going to be basically not boiling, but I think braising would be proper. And then once you're done seasoning, flip the chops and repeat on the other side. Then add the sliced onion to the bottom of the crock pot. I like to use this as a base so the meat isn't in direct contact with the bottom of the slow cooker ceramic. I don't know why, but I don't like to put the meat directly on the bottom. It seems to not quite burn, but create too much of a fond that never really properly gets scraped. And it sticks to the ceramic. It's not like a non-stick. Maybe if I sprayed it with oil or a non-stick cooking spray first, it would be better, but I've gotten into the habit of putting down a base layer of onion or potato or something. Then layer on the chops and then add the minced garlic like so. Just spread it all around. Once the liquid is in here, it's going to wind up everywhere anyway. And then pour in your chicken stock. You don't want it completely covering the meat, but the bottom layer of pork is inevitably going to be boiling while the top is braising. There might be a better way to stack it, but this is how I do. Cook on low for 4 to 6 hours, and it winds up looking like this. It's essentially fork tender, because that's the goal. You want tender and juicy chops because pork can tend to turn out pretty dry. And then plate and enjoy. If you all like this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!